A z-score is a standardized value that indicates how many standard deviation the original observations are away from the mean. Z is calculated by using the equation x minus mean divided by standard deviation. For example 1, the x is less than 27, the mean is 31, and standard deviation is 1.2. First, plug in the values into the equation, then do the math and calculate the z-score, which turns out to be negative 3.33. Since x is less than 27, you shade the left side of negative 3.33. For example 2, the original observation is greater than 10, the mean is 7, and the standard deviation is 3. First, plug in the values into the equation, then do the math and calculate the z-score. Since x is greater than 10, you shade the right side of 1.
For example 3, the scenario is the scores on the math test at West High are normally distributed with a mean of 92 and a standard deviation of 5.2. Ajay scored 89 on the test. Find the z-score for Ajay's test score. The original observation, or x, is 89, the mean is 92, and the standard deviation is 5.2. Note that you are looking for a z-score when x is equal to a number. You would plug in the values into the equation and calculate the z. You get negative 0.58 as your answer.
For example 4, the x is less than 32, the mean is 16, and the standard deviation is 5.2. First, you plug in the values into the equation. Then do the math and calculate z. Since x is less than 32, you shade the left side of 3.08. For example 5, the x value is less than 50, the mean is 50, and the standard deviation is 3. Plug in the values into the equation and calculate z.
Z is less than 0, you shade in the left side of 0 on the graph.
Thanks for watching. Dory. Deepu. Jean. Written by Celine.